How do people do this? Water in my snorkel. I feel like I'm drowning. Hey guys, it's me Sylvia, back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing a very fun, kind of out there challenge, and it is the underwater makeup challenge. I have seen this going around and I have been so keen to try it out for so long now, but you know, a lot goes into these type of videos. I had to go out and buy a GoPro. I'm hoping I have all the right equipment and I feel like I'm ready to attempt this challenge and really give it my best. Basically what the challenge is I'm going to take a bunch of makeup products that I feel like I can apply underwater, and we're going to go on down to my pool and I'm going to try and do my full face of makeup completely submerged in the water, trying not to drown, basically. I feel like I'm drowning. I'm just gonna pick out the products that I think will still be able to perform under these crazy conditions. I'll go through those products as I'm applying them on my face when we're down by the pool. Before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to my channel because I promise I'm gonna have some more wacky, crazy videos in the future and you definitely don't wanna miss out on them. I drop 2 videos a week. But yeah, without further ado, let's get on going down to the pool. All right, guys, so now we're at the pool and I brought a few goodies down to help me. I don't know what I'm gonna have to use, but we're gonna see. I mean, I got them just in case. I got a snorkel. I got goggles, which I probably can't use, but just in case. I also got little arm floaties because these are so cute. The water could be really deep. You know, I don't want to sink and drown. We want to stay safe in the water, so the floaties will come in handy for sure. I literally cannot go underwater without plugging my nose, so I got a nose clip and it comes with earplugs too, so I feel like with all this stuff, I'm good to nail this challenge. All right, so I'm in the pool. I have all my products laid out in the order that I'm gonna apply them. Hello. I look like Squidward. I also brought a handheld mirror to help me out under the water so I can actually see what I'm doing. First up, primer. Prep and Hydrate Balm. Thought a balm would be good. It's just a stick, easy to apply. Here you go. All right. I literally cannot see anything. I thought bringing a mirror would help, but I can't even see the mirror. Let's try this again. How do people do this? I can't do this. I got my goggles on because your girl could not see shit. I keep floating to the top. How do you stay under there? Primer's on. Primer is on. That was so difficult. It really felt like it wasn't even going on my skin. It's just sliding around. It's very slimy. Not sure if it did anything. It just feels very slimy on my face. I'm not enjoying it. This is me at my most attractive. Okay. Let's go ahead and try and apply some foundation. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation. I thought stick would be best. It won't float around in the pool, you know. So I managed to get it on there. It's definitely on my face, so it's still working. I just need to blend that out. Good thing I have my handy dandy beauty sponge. Bubbles keep coming when I try and tap it, and so it makes it harder to see, but I definitely blended that out. It's looking pretty good. I should have practiced holding my breath before this. Maybe I should use a snorkel. I completely forgot I had the snorkel. I need to make use of it because your girl cannot hold her breath for more than 2 seconds. I'm getting uglier and uglier. Alright guys, so I took a 5-minute break. It was much needed. Not gonna lie, I had to touch up the foundation a bit. Everything was still soaking wet. My face was soaking wet. The products were soaking wet. So I feel like it wasn't cheating, but it definitely is more like spread around my face now. It's not looking that bad. I mean, I would think this foundation was waterproof or something the way it's holding up with the water here. Wow. Let's try and do concealer. I have the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer here. I'm hoping the sponge applicator will be nice in the water. That is the most uncomfortable feeling ever. Like, I hated every minute of that. I'm like, oh my god, this is hard. That's so much concealer, but it actually went on. This is working so well. So now I'm just gonna go underwater and try and blend what I have under my eye there. After going in multiple times trying to blend that concealer, it actually looks pretty good. These products are holding up really well under the water. So now for contour, I have, again, the Anastasia foundation stick, just a cream contour I feel like is best to do underwater. So that was easy to apply, but now we gotta blend that out. Let's see how the brush holds up underwater. It was pretty easy.
and it looks good. She's bronzed up and ready for the next step. I'm getting foundation everywhere though. It's all over the goggles. Next up, let's do blush. I got another cream product. Those are doing really well under the water. They're very easy to apply and foolproof, almost foolproof. I feel like I don't even need to do too much blending with that one. It's just gliding right on. Can you even see it? Do I need more? I need more. Let's go in again. Wow, my complexion's looking decent. In between my nose here, my nostril, that looks really bad, but honestly, I think I'm killing the challenge so far. Next up is highlight. Again, I have a cream product. Whoa, it's been out in the sun a bit, so it's really melted. Seeing all this come off makes me so sad, but I mean, it is affordable, so I guess that's good. I'm really putting these products to the test. I'm sorry you guys have to witness this, but we gotta do it for the challenge. I'm telling you, it's a one-time thing. Unless this goes viral and gets tons of views, then we're doing a part 2. Scuba diving next? Don't test me. I'll do it. Will I even be able to get this on my cheekbones with my goggles? Let me adjust them. Oh, we're good. Looking sexy, Sylvia. I could see the blinding highlight underneath water. Wow. Wow. This is actually a bomb highlight. It was really easy to apply, so this one was a good choice for this challenge for sure. Now let's move on to brows. I brought 2 products that I didn't know what would be best underwater. One of them is just a brow pencil, which I feel like just won't apply. I mean, we'll try. In case that doesn't apply, I did bring a brow fiber cream to try and comb through my brows, and hopefully the product will stick. Let's see. So let's try the brow pencil first. It's actually working, guys. Oh my god. I definitely won't even need to use the other brow product. The pencil is going on perfectly underwater. I mean, it's a little difficult, but it's working. I wonder if they test this underwater when they're making it, because all of these products are actually holding up really well. Just like I normally would, I'm going to brush the product through a little bit, blend it, and hopefully it'll look even better. Okay, so now I gotta take my goggles off because we're moving on to the eye makeup. You can definitely see there's a lot of makeup built up around the goggles, but they were necessary, had to use them. But once I blended out the imprints, it's looking okay. And I've been in the water for so long now because this is just taking forever, and my hands are getting a little pruny. Next up is something for eyeshadow. I obviously couldn't really bring a powder product in here because I don't think it would work at all, but I have the Essence Metal Shot Liquid Eyeshadow. By the way, children just arrived at the pool. I'm feeling a little awkward, but I'm gonna stick through the challenge. We're gonna get it done. Don't try this at home, kids. This eyeshadow product was definitely a good call because it's performing really well. It's just a nice little shimmer, very subtle. Pool water my eye, pool water my eye. And you can't even tell if it's not blended because it's like so sheer, but the wand is really disgusting and soggy. That's all I'm gonna do for eyeshadow because really what else is gonna work? I am gonna try and attempt to do some eyeliner, and I have a baked cake eyeliner. Starts off as a powder product. You're supposed to get it wet. I'm kind of worried how this is gonna perform under there, but let's see.
Oh no!
That was difficult. Product is kind of disintegrating in the pool, so we're not going to do that anymore. Let's see what I did. Oh no, I definitely ruined the eye look. I definitely ruined the eye look. Let me try and blend. So, I think the verdict is the cake baked eyeliner definitely does not hold up well underwater. So now let's move on to mascara. Obviously I had to bring a waterproof one. Seeing how the other product kind of disintegrated in the pool, I'm worried about this one, but we'll see how it goes. You guys, I could actually do it underwater. They look decent. I mean, it's kind of running everywhere, but I could get it on my lashes, and that's more than I thought I could do. So I'm gonna call that one a success. But now, can I try and apply lashes underwater? This is a waterproof lash glue, and then I have my falsies. Honestly, most people struggle putting false lashes on regularly, just in normal conditions. So let's see how hard it actually is underwater. I mean, that can't be good. That just can't be good. Let's... What? Let me apply the glue out of the water because it made it disgusting. It's literally coating every single lash hair. I'm just gonna try and plop this on and see what happens. Is it on? Where is it? Oh, it is impossible. So I'm gonna stop trying. Last step, you guys, is lipstick. I had to go all out. We got a bright red. Now this one, I'm a little concerned that the product is just gonna go everywhere and everyone's gonna judge me in this pool for ruining the pool. Hopefully it doesn't ruin the pool. It feels really weird on my lips wet. It feels kind of disgusting. Whoa, that was amazing. That went on well. So far it's going okay. And it seems like the product is staying on the wand, so I'm happy about that. I'm not contaminating the pool too much. Now let's do the top lip. Ew, pool water in my mouth. Disgusting. That's a pretty good application if you ask me. Wow, how did that even apply so well underwater? And I didn't even use a lip liner. Last step, you guys, setting spray. I mean, this was kind of just a joke. I'm just gonna have to do it because I'm trying to do a full face. I feel like I got some on there. Now we've locked it all to place. We're good. That saved the look, honestly. All right, you guys, so that's my full face underwater. My hands are getting pruny and it's time to get out of the pool.
Okay, so I'm back in my studio beauty room. Now with these lights, I can definitely see where I went wrong. Why did I think it was going so well down there? Maybe because I just expected everything to be such a fail. So when something like kind of worked, I was very impressed, but I would not be comfortable going out like in public like this, I feel like. I guess for the most part, it did go pretty well. I think I did a very good job of picking out products that would do an okay job of holding up underwater. Now let's really take a closer look. So looking at me close up, obviously my lips look like the worst part. They're very uneven, very smudged, and then your eye just kind of goes to them. So if I was going out in public, I'd probably be most self-conscious about my lips. And obviously that's just because it was very difficult to apply it in the pool. And I think it kind of messes with the formula a bit, which is why it's like smudging. But that being said, I think the product did an amazing job of even applying at all. If you look at my skin, the foundation was very tricky to kind of get an even application, but once I was able to do that, it doesn't look that bad. Same goes with the rest of my complexion, the blush, the bronzer, and the highlight. I was very surprised by. Like, I'm not hating my complexion at all. I think it needs a little bit more of an even coverage and probably some more blending, but for it being an underwater challenge, it looks good. Mascara bomb. What? I was so shocked. It was difficult for me to get right to the root because I was in water, but it applied on my lashes fine. It didn't seem to be like leaking around in the water, so I really do believe that Lancome mascara is like super waterproof. The eyeshadow, I'm a genius for choosing a liquid eyeshadow like that one because it didn't really need a lot of blending. It applied nicely with the sponge tip applicator, and I think that was great. The brows I thought were going well, but looking at them now, I don't think that was a waterproof brow pencil, and so I lost a lot of kind of like the shape. I also think the water made the concealer and like the blending a little bit more difficult. You can see it's kind of like separated here, and I have a lot of creasing under my lid, and it was more difficult to cover up pimples and things like that. But overall, honestly, I'm gonna call this challenge a success. It was probably my favorite video that I've ever filmed. I had such a blast doing it, so I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you don't leave without subscribing. All you have to do is click this button right here to subscribe. It is completely free, so just click the button. Come on, you're not losing anything. Just click the button and join my S Club. And then go ahead and watch one of my other videos, because if you like this one, you'll probably like those ones too. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.